Chinese heater factories are making a killing as Europe prepares for winter amid gas shortage. South China Morning Post published a video regarding this. This heater factory in eastern China is reporting a massive surge in overseas orders. Mr. Chen Wen, production manager of this factory, says the first production line now is producing heaters for German customers, and that is an additional order. The products being made on the second line are to be delivered to the UK, and the production line behind me is making heaters for customers in France. Russia's invasion in Ukraine has made gas supplies and prices in the EU unreliable. EU countries have resorted to energy austerity measures and boosted gas reserves. Since many European homes use gas heat, insecurity is driving demand for electric options. Chinese suppliers are working overtime to meet demand weeks past the usual peak season. The year-on-year percentage increase in heater sales to the EU between January to August 2022, 55%. Electric heaters made in China are cheaper than those from EU manufacturers. Chinese companies are reportedly pooling their efforts to capitalize on the spike in demand. And as temperatures drop across Europe, the need for heaters seems only likely to heat up. Thanks for watching the video.